Hi, welcome back NextTech Spark.
So, welcome to a new video. Today, we'll walk you through the process of creating a professional book mockup in Canva. Whether you're designing for a book launch, marketing materials, or social media, this guide will help you create a stunning mockup with ease. First, open Canva and create a new blank design in a size that fits your needs. Next, prepare your book cover image and upload it to Canva. Once uploaded, we'll show you how to position it, add realistic shadows, and enhance the design to make it look like a real book. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a polished and eye-catching book mockup ready to use. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. Let me know if you'd like any further refinements.